Hello friends, welcome back to the Aspiring Trader YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see the complete analysis of BSE Limited. So let's get started. So first we are going to analyze the trend of the stock. That is the first point I have mentioned, trend analysis. So the stock after listing, it went into a complete downtrend and it has reversed from here and then completely recovered from here. So it is a V-shaped recovery. So if you analyze the trend at the start, it formed a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So lower high and lower low is definitely the structure of a downtrend, as you guys know. And after this reversal, if you see from here, it made a high, it made a low, high, higher low, higher low, and it went on. So this is definitely a V-shaped recovery. So the stock we are viewing is monthly time frame. So in monthly time frame, in recent time, it is an uptrend. So definitely the stock is looking good. So the next point, if you see, it is pattern, if any. So we will scan the charts for any kind of patterns formed. To me, there is a rounding bottom kind of structure that has formed and given a breakout. So, so if you see, the stock has failed completely and reversed here and bottomed out and then reversed from here and then broken out of the previous resistance as well. So this, if you see, it's kind of a bottom, round bottom. That is why we call this as a round bottom. It is a bullish sign. So definitely the stock is looking good. So the next point, if you see, are the key levels. Key levels are nothing but the important resistance and support levels. So I have already marked some levels that are visible to me. We'll scan and again mark if there are any more important levels. So before that, I'll remove this drawing so that the chart can be more clean and visible. So why I mark this as key level is because here it acted as resistance thrice and here it has taken support twice. So definitely it is a key level, and this zone here it has acted as resistance, and here it took support, and again here it took resistance, and again it acted as support. So definitely another key level. So I find one more key level here. So if you see this part, let me draw that for you. So this is a monthly chart, and it can little bit vary. The weekend body can vary in weekly, but definitely in monthly, if you draw, it should definitely follow in weekly and daily as well. So here it has taken support. Here it has taken multiple supports, in fact, and again here it has taken multiple supports. Here it has taken some rejection. Here it has acted as resistance. Let me just adjust this line. So yeah, this is a very key level. And again here this is a very key resistance level because it has rejected multiple times. So these are the key levels for this chart. The next point is candle volume analysis. That is, we have to analyze the candle against the volumes, which will give a clear picture. So this is a key concept in price action. So stay focused. Before that, we'll see why we have drawn these key levels. These key levels help us in our candle volume analysis. Why? Because we can see how the stock has reacted near the key levels and what kind of candles are formed near the key levels. So this resistance zone has been tested multiple times here and multiple times here. So the stock has been trading in this zone from November 2018 until April 2021, which is 3 to 4 years of consolidation, and finally it broke out with a very huge volume. If you see the candle, it is a very wide in range, and also the volumes have picked up and a very good volume. If you compare these candles with the breakout candle, see the returns it has given 9%, and the volume is 16 million. If you see this candle, it is just 7 million volume with a return of 12%. If you see this candle has produced a 60% return with a volume of 36 million, which is 4 to 5 times higher than the average candle size and average candle volume. So this tells you the story that bulls have entered the stock very strongly, breaking these two key levels and closing very strongly. In fact, without any much of a wick in monthly candle. So again, we will have to see one more point. When the candle is going down, it has to be small and the volumes have to be less, have to be low. Again, if you see, the candles are very small in size, and the volumes have definitely gone down. Again, here, comparatively, the volumes have gone down and the candle size is very less. Here, this is a very bullish candle to me because there is huge wick at the bottom, which indicates buying pressure. Here, there is a little bit of selling pressure, but that is a different case in multiple time frame analysis. So, as of now, this candle is definitely looking strong, and the overall price structure is definitely looking good for a short-term pickup. The stock is on my radar, and definitely it's good. So the next point is multiple time frame analysis. So this is an important point because we'll have to analyze a stock in all the time frames. That is a long-term time frame which is monthly, the mid-term time frame which is weekly, the short-term time frame which is daily. So definitely multiple time frame analysis will have the edge, and we'll have a clear idea of how the stock is performing. So let me go down to weekly time frame. I'm zooming out the weekly chart for you. After listing, as I said, the stock went into a downtrend, and then this is the level where it started consolidating. It's consolidated for 2 3 years below this resistance level, and then finally it broke out with a very good wide range candle and a very huge volume, and it continued the rally and broke out the other key resistance level. I mean other key level. It acted as a support earlier, and it acted as a resistance now, and then it broke out this resistance level and retested and took support from here. So that is why I say this is a key level, and from here it again took out the other two key levels because this was a resistant and support. Also, this was acting as a resistance and support now. So that is why these two levels were also key levels, and it broke out with a very huge volume. And stock structure is definitely looking good. After this, it was forming higher high structure. We see it formed a higher low structure from here and still continuing that. But in weekly, if you see this candle, it is kind of a double top. So little kind of weakness is shown in weekly time frame, but I will have to confirm it with a daily time frame so that it'll all be in sync. But we cannot decide with weekly time frame alone. The only worrying thing here in weekly time frame chart is this candle, 19th July candle. So a huge selling pressure has come, a top wick which indicates selling pressure with a huge volume. So let me drill down to daily to analyze if this is really is a selling pressure. So 19 July, this is 19 July candle. So see, this candle is what which have produced such a volume. So definitely nothing to worry. In daily time frame, if you see, this candle is a very wide range candle. And the volumes are also huge. So definitely it is a bullish pressure and not a bearish pressure. Also, this candle has also produced huge volume, and this is an indecision candle. The stock could have even consolidated here and gone up. So that is why wick at the bottom and the wick at the top. So you cannot consider this as a bearish pressure. So definitely not a bad sign at all. So these two candles were bearish candles, but the volumes are comparatively very less. So it is just a retracement that happened after that huge breakout. And if you see, let me draw a trend line for you. The stock actually was consolidating, or I mean, the stock actually was consolidating and formed lower lows, in fact, but with very relatively very less volumes. It is just a retracement to me because volumes are less and candles are also small. So it has finally broke out with a very good volume and then started again consolidating after breaking out from this downward trend line. So I'm seeing another pattern here in daily time frame. If you see, if you can join this trend line and this one, it is again broke downward trend line from here and with a good volume as well. Also, I'm seeing a kind of symmetrical pattern over here, which is a very good sign, and the stock actually broke out of the symmetrical pattern and even retested the levels. So it is really looking very good in the current market price. It can take support from here. Also, I find a very confluence of support from here. This is a previous resistance level, and it has taken support multiple times, and earlier time it broke out, but again I see this is a very key level because it has taken support and resistance. Both has been taken in this level, so definitely it is a key level. This time it should respect because it not should, but it might respect because it's a probability. So here it can take support and rally again. It is with a very minimal risk. If it breaks this in case, it can take support from here. So the stock definitely is looking damn bullish, and I can definitely bet on the stock. If you like this content, you can give me a thumbs up And if you want more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified whenever I post new videos. And also, we have a Telegram channel where we post stock updates which are about to break out, and stocks which have retested the breakout levels during market hours. So you can join our Telegram channel as well. The link will be in the description. So thank you for watching and happy trading.